All right, I'm going to do a quick lesson on how to play this Maria song, Care For You. All right, the chords are F sharp minor 7 to E major 7. But they're not playing in these positions. Well, the E major 7, I think they're. I think they're playing the F, no, I'm sorry, on the 9th fret. Mostly on the top strings. Baby, I care for you. Baby, I care for you. I take my finger off and I'm playing C sharp minor 7. It's like you just do a quick change to that. Then you slide down to the 7th fret and you play your E major 7. All right, and that's those are all the chords in that song. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.